The Boeing 747-100, the first jumbo jet, revolutionized commercial aviation when Pan Am launched it in 1970. This reinforced 747-100 BSR is built for high-cycle domestic routes, with a stronger blended airframe for durability. This rare variant of the Boeing 747-100 BSR SUD features a stretched upper
Boeing 7 fuselage, non-stop flights, showcasing innovative performance capabilities.
The Boeing 747 unique aircraft capable of transporting passengers and cargo simultaneously. The Boeing 747-300M Combi. This mixed passenger cargo model features a
The Boeing 747-400M Combi. Modern flexibility with advanced 747-400 technology.
The Boeing 747-400F, factory built for heavy freight dominance with industrial cargo airline appearance. This is the Boeing side cargo door integrated into the fuselage, exemplifies the engineering of the passenger-to-freighter program. The E-4A Airborne Command Post, a key strategic asset during the Cold War. The E-4B Doomsday Plane, a command center for nuclear war, equipped for airborne operations and survivability. The VC-25A Air Force One is the presidential transport equipped with advanced communication systems for secure operation.
Converted from a Japan Airlines 747-100SR, this aircraft was modified.
This engineering revolution introduced the jumbo jet age to global aviation. The 747 connected continents and transformed international travel forever. The original 747 introduced mass international travel to millions of passengers worldwide, enabled ultra-long-range, non-stop flights connecting distant cities without refueling. The Boeing 747-400F dominated heavy global freight transportation for decades. The Shuttle Carrier Aircraft N905NA transported space shuttles across the United States between missions. The Dreamlifter transports 787 components between Boeing's global factories. Since the George H.W. Bush era, Air Force One has provided secure global transport for U.S. presidents.
The extended upper deck era. Increased passenger comfort and seating improvements introduced during the 747-300 generation.
The extended upper deck era brought increased passenger comfort. Now, as a converted cargo workhorse, it transports freight worldwide.
Converted from a passenger jet, Sophia is a flying observatory conducting infrared missions high above Earth's atmosphere.
The 747-8i became the final and most advanced passenger version of the legendary jumbo jet family.
The 747-200F revolutionized oversized cargo transportation across international freight routes.
The 747-400ER, the final passenger queen, became the most advanced version of the legendary jumbo jet.